Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Keep learning and stay happy. Do subscribe to the channel and share this video with your friends. आज हम लोग बात करने जा रहे हैं पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच के बारे में. Parts of speech is very basic thing of the English. Part of speech are the different classes into which words can be classified in grammar. There are 8 parts of speech classified accordingly to the functions they perform in the sentences. First, noun. Second, pronoun. Third, verb. Fourth, adjective. Fifth, adverb. Sixth, preposition. Seventh, conjunction. Eighth, interjection. Let's see one by one. Noun. इसका मतलब होता है नाम. It is a naming word. It is the name of a person, place, animal or thing. किसी भी चीज का नाम, किसी भी पर्सन का, व्यक्ति का, जगह का नाम मतलब नाउन. अशोका वॉज अ गुड एम्परर. यहाँ पे अशोका और एम्परर ये नाउन है. न्यू दिल्ली इज द कैपिटल ऑफ इंडिया. न्यू दिल्ली कैपिटल एंड इंडिया आर द नाउन्स. द मून शाइन्स ड्यूरिंग द नाइट. मून एंड नाइट आर द नाउन्स. द रोज इज ए ब्यूटीफुल फ्लावर. Rose and flower are nouns. The ship set sail. Ship and sail are the nouns. Next, pronoun. It is a word that stands for a noun and is used instead of noun. नाम के एवजी हम लोग जो शब्द यूज करते हैं उसे pronoun कहते हैं. Moti is a dog. He is very friendly. Here he stands for Moti. यहाँ पे he ये जो वर्ड है वो मोती के बारे में बता रहा है. Seema has gone to Delhi. She left 2 days ago. She stands for Seema. She is a pronoun. I bought some apples. They are good. They stands for apples. Ashoka was a emperor. He was very brave. He stands for Ashoka and he is a pronoun. Verb. It is a doing word. It denotes an action. Verb का मतलब होता है क्रियापद. ये कोई क्रिया दर्शाता है. My brother plays the guitar. They played cricket in the ground. Rohan eats an apple every day. यहाँ पे plays, played, eats ये जो वर्ड है वो यहाँ पे क्रिया दर्शा रहा है. इसीलिए ये सब वर्ब है. Adjective. It describes a noun or adds something to the meaning of the noun. Shekhar is very tall boy. The tall describes boy. Tall is an adjective for the noun boy. Sita had good qualities. Good describes for qualities. Good is an adjective for the noun qualities. 50 students went on a picnic. 50 is an adjective for the noun students. Adverb. It adds something to the meaning of a verb or an adjective or another adverb. She runs fast. Fast describes for runs. Runs is a verb and fast describes to the verb. So fast is an adverb. Some solve problem slowly. Slowly describes how he solved the problem. So slowly is adverb. Meeta worked hard at her studies. Hard describes for worked. So Hard is an adverb. Preposition. It is a word used before a noun or pronoun to show its relationship with something else. Some boys are playing on the beach. On the beach. On is a word which is used as a preposition. The little sheep jumped over the fence. Over the fence. Over is a preposition. Father goes to the office every day. To is a preposition. Conjunction. It is used to join words or clauses or two sentences. Shyam and Sundar went to the movies. And is a word which is used to join Shyam and Sundar. So it is a conjunction. He ran fast but missed the train. Here but is a word used to join two sentences. That he ran fast, missed the train. 2 and 2 do not make 5. And is a word used to join two different words. To and two. And is a conjunction. Interjection. It is a word expressing some sudden feeling. Hooray! We have won the match. Hooray is the interjection. Cheers! May you have a prosperous life. Cheers is an interjection. Thank God. It was a narrow escape. Thank God is an interjection. Especially the words with an exclamation signs are interjections. That's it from this video. If you like this video, then hit the like button and share this video with your friends. Do subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned and keep learning. Stay happy.